Alright guys, welcome to the daily recap video. Just going to go ahead and go over how the day went. This is the APEX PA account here. See, we're ending the day down 229.80 on it. Excuse me. We only have $69 in drawdown left on this PA account. So we're trading the micros on it. Trying to do the best we can to kind of build it back up. I did okay this afternoon. Kind of unhappy with one entry that I made. That was this one here where I lost $100. I was trying to move my stop to where it needed to be, and it hit my stop before I could move it. You can see what happened. Literally pushed up, hit my stop, and then whoop, 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 just sold off. I mean, so this would have been with a mini. So this would have been a nice big winner. But unfortunately, it didn't happen. And that's okay. So down 229 on this account. We did okay today on the Topstep account. Only took a couple of entries this morning. Took this one, traded this one during the CPI news this morning. So as you can see here, we took one little break-even trade here. I think we lost $10. And then had a nice little push back up, and I got in on that momentum, 215. So ending up green on this account, $195. And then we also took the trades on the 15-minute breakout this morning. Let's kind of just go over that. We will use this 1-minute chart here. So let's get back to this morning. So it was an interesting morning on the 15-minute breakout. We had, so here's our opening candle. So there's the low. And then you can see this is the high. So it took the low first. Excuse me. So we got short right there at 493. The initial push down did not give us the 20 handles. It went to well, the initial push down was here. Went to 477. Now in my back testing, if you don't get at least the 20 handles on this first push down before we have a pullback, then almost always you're getting stopped out for a loss. So that's exactly what happened yesterday, and I took the full 15-point loss. So I'm not supposed to move the stop until we get to plus 20. As you can see, it did not stop us out, but I didn't trust it, so I moved my stop to plus 5, and obviously it came out and hit our stop. Then it went down and it hit the 73. So we would have moved our stop to plus 10, which would have been 83 once we hit the 73. So it came down and hit it, and then came back up and would have stopped us out. So we captured 5 handles instead of 10. It's not the end of the world. Now, obviously, you can see, had we never moved our stop, it went for the full 38 handles. Traded all the way down to 54 from 93. So actually 39 handles. So it would have given us the full 2.5 to 1 if we never moved the stop. But in my back testing, it showed that you're much more profitable moving the stop than not moving it. So this is kind of one of those rare occasions where it would have worked if you didn't move the stop. I did break the rules, but they are my rules, so I can break them if I decide to. Not happy with the fact that I lost 5 handles today by breaking the rules. And I cost myself 15 handles yesterday, actually 20 handles by not breaking the rules. So moral of the story is I should not be breaking the rules, so that's kind of what we're going to go back to. We're going to make sure we don't break the rules just going forward. So if you've been keeping up, that means we've had one 15-point loser this week, a 10-point winner, and a 5-point winner. So we are break even going into tomorrow's Thursday. So what happened on Monday? I don't remember. No, that's right. So we had 2 winners, a 10, a 5, and then 1 loser. So we're break even on the week on this strategy going into Thursday. So if we have 1 winner, 1 loser, then we will be profitable. The Topstep accounts, we were up $410 on each one of those today to kind of show you. So we need various amounts to get these funded. This one here, we need $2,250. And then the other ones we need somewhere in the same $2,500, and then the other one I think is $2,700. Yeah, $2,200. So still a ways to go on those. The Apex account, we were only up $115. We also were only up $115 on each of the Bulenox accounts. So On the funded accounts today, across all of them, I think we finished today somewhere around $400. If you take into account the $200 loss that we had there on Apex. So all in all, a green day. We're pretty much break even on the week at this point. We're not, that's just kind of where we're at. So Thursday and Friday are going to kind of make the day, make or break the week. So that's going to do it for today. The review today. If you guys didn't catch the news, Apex did extend the 80% off sale. I do appreciate everybody who purchased an Apex eval yesterday. It certainly helps the channel. They did extend the sale through September the 27th, so still got the 80% off. Link in the description for that. And we do have the link for Topstep. I haven't had anybody sign up for Topstep yet, and I don't understand why, because to me, Topstep's going to be the best option, right? You don't have to worry about the drawdown. It is a little more expensive at $49, but to me, not having to worry about that intraday drawdown is a huge deal. The unrealized profit, especially with the way that I'm trading, I don't know. I just don't like having to deal with that. So obviously Bulenox, I have to deal with that on Bulenox as well. But it's not the end of the world with it. It's just a frustrating thing. Because, just an example, we're up here on the Bulenox account. Let's check this one. So we're up $1,141. Yet our drawdown is only $1,200. So, that's just what I'm saying. You just don't, it just follows you up. So so I guess we have not realized $1,300 in profit on this account. So had we realized that profit, we would be, I guess, closer to the target there. But teach his own. I trade them all. They're certainly all tradable. I just don't like having to deal with it. But that's going to do it for this recap video. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. PPI tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. We're going to start the stream a little early, so join me for that. Thanks for watching.